Be working on replacing the steering stabilizer, which is going to be right there. Looks like a shock. It's going to be really easy. First thing we're going to do is remove our guard under the truck. These are going to be 15mm bolts. There's 5 of them in total, 3 up front and 2 in the back. Do is remove the undercarriage splash shield here. It's just 4 bolts. You got 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. We're going to take this out, and that's going to give us easier access right here. You're going to have this bolt here that you have to remove. You follow it to this end. You're going to have this one here. So we're going to go to remove those 2 bolts and slide them out. And then this side is going to have to get hit out. Best way to do that is going to be with like a pickle fork. I found that the ratcheting wrench works the best for this, 18mm. And if it starts to spin on you, there's a text at the top there so you could actually hold it. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen this side now. So this is where the pickle fork is going to come into play. So you're going to have to set it right in between. You have to set it right in between these right here, and we're going to hammer it a little bit, and that'll get it to pop out kind of like a ball joint. There we go. Just gonna slide that off to the side and then just pull it out. So reinstallation, you're gonna see the tapered edge. That's gonna go inside. Just gonna press it in a little bit. Just need to open these up a little bit here. Do this. Okay, now we're just going to use the old hardware, put that back in, and then put the appropriate nuts back on this side, and then we're all done. Alright, now to tighten down this side, you're gonna have to get a wrench and put it on this hex here, because it's 2 different parts. So you're gonna tighten this nut for this joint here, and then you have to hold this center point to tighten the upper bolt here. Once you get those on, they're tight. You're all done.